We've got everybody in here at the WGM Weather Center. Of course, Hammernick, he's on the phone talking to all his ladies' friends. Just kidding, Hammernick. But he is getting snow reports, and he is blogging. He's been blogging all morning long, and so if you want to know anything that's going on, or maybe in your area, just head to ChicagoWeatherCenter.com. That's ChicagoWeatherCenter.com, and then you can get all the information that you need. So Hammernick will be blogging. Steve Kahn, who's a retired National Weather Service guy, he's on the other side, and then Tom Skilling and Bill Schneider will be in. That's Tom Skilling's producer, and of course myself for CLTV. So we're here all night long to give you weather updates, and the snow is coming down as of right now. Let's take a look at what we're going to be dealing with, at least for the next 12 to maybe 18 hours. We're talking a lot of snow. Could be one of the biggest storms that we have seen since 1999, where we got 21.6 inches in January, but we're looking to maybe some areas to get a little bit more. So the blizzard warning is on starting at 3 o'clock this afternoon, anywhere from 12 to 18 inches, but heaviest could be around the lake, around 24 inches. Winds are going to be nasty out of the northeast at about 25 to 35, gusts around 40 to 50, and you're also looking at stronger gusts, especially near the lake, and sometimes overnight tonight we'll see 2 to 3 inches per hour, and as those winds continue to stay very strong out of the northeast, we'll have whiteout conditions. So we're already looking at the satellite. We've got the snow starting to move in. We did receive a little bit of some light snow earlier today. That was in association with just a little bit of it coming off the Lake of Michigan. Off of Lake Michigan. But now this is the main storm system. It's starting to already move in. It has brought several inches of snow into the tri-states area, and we're going to continue to see about 10 to 14 inches of snow overnight tonight. Now here's the visibility. It's coming down rapidly, about a half a mile in Morris, about 2 miles in DeKalb, about a mile in Lansing. Around the lake in the North Shore, it's anywhere from 1 to 2 miles. So we're under a blizzard warning all for the Chicagoland and northwestern Indiana area. And we're going to continue to keep the blizzard warning in effect until Wednesday afternoon. Look at the stretch. Some 43 states are under a watch or a warning. 8 of the states are under a blizzard warning, and this stretches over 2,000 miles from the Rocky Mountains all the way to the East Coast. So we're looking at a monster low-pressure system that has tapped into some Gulf moisture. It's riding a low-level jet, and it is bringing in plenty of moisture in our area in the form of snow. Then, as that low continues to move off to the east, we're going to see a little bit of some lake effect snow showers. Heaviest snow bands will be setting up right around northwestern Indiana, but of course we're going to keep an eye on exactly where those snow bands will be setting up. But you still have plenty of snow in the area by 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. Then it starts to lighten up. Then the snow will be moving out to the east. The only thing that we see setting up Wednesday night is a little bit of a lake effect band. Then the skies clear out, and watch out. It gets extremely cold Wednesday night into Thursday morning. How much snow? I know everybody wants to know the numbers. Well, we're going with a good 14 to 18 inches, but some areas could see heavier amounts than that, maybe close to 2 feet. Our PM forecast shows heaviest snowfall already starts from the southern portion of the viewing area, anywhere south of I-80, then starts to push in. We'll see about 2 to 3 inches per hour overnight. We'll continue to keep even some moderate to heavy snowfall early Wednesday morning. And then finally, the skies will start to break up, but we'll still have that band over Valparaiso and Michigan City that will continue to bring in some snow, and then it pushes out, and then those skies become clear. So in your area, well, we're looking at O'Hare around 18 inches. This is just one of our models. And you're even seeing in the far western suburbs a good 14 to 15 inches. So take that with a grain of salt. You know, with a lot of blowing and drifting snow, it is going to be a terrible night tonight. Try not to drive if you don't have to. Don't even go outside. There's no reason to. So anywhere from 10 to 16 inches of snow, even some thunder out there, which is called thunder snow. 16 to 22 for your overnight low, but wind chill values will be close to 0 as those winds are out of the northeast at about 30 to 35, gust around 55, even some stronger gusts around the lake where they also have a lake a lakeshore flooding, because those waves could be around, let's see, 10 to 14 feet in height. So you have to be aware, especially around Lakeshore Drive. So tomorrow we're looking at still that blizzard to be in effect until 3 p.m. More snow in the morning, then blowing and drifting snow as those winds continue to stay very strong. High 19 to 25. Again, winds out of the northeast. And then we kind of take a break. 7-day forecast shows, this is the wrong 7-day, folks. But don't worry, 7-day forecast shows very cold temperatures. You're looking at temperature highs on Thursday in the single digits. Tomorrow's Groundhog's Day. I don't know how Phil's going to get out of his hole. Hopefully he has a shovel or a snowblower or something like that. And then Friday, temperatures start to moderate. Could have a couple of clippers come in for the weekend, so then you're going to have a little bit more snow. And then there's next chance of some accumulating snow maybe early next week, and very cold air as well. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it is Duffinately Weather. And don't forget to go to ChicagoWeatherCenter.com to get all the latest information on the Chicago blizzard of 2011.